So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add copyright music to Capcut. If you would like to add copyright music to Capcut because you would like to use it on TikTok and there are copyrighted songs on TikTok, what you're gonna do is you open up a browser and you just type in TikTok. You're gonna open up TikTok and type into the search bar the song you would like to use. Then you press enter and you're gonna choose a video with the sound which you would like to use. Then TikTok is gonna ask you to sign in. You're gonna sign in with any of your accounts and then you're gonna open the video with the sound you would like to use. You right click the video and you're just gonna click download video. After you downloaded the video, it's gonna be here at the Google Downloads, and what you need to do basically is you just need to drag the download into Capcut. But we would only like to use the sound, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click on the video on the timeline, then right click on the video and you're gonna click extract audio, which for you're gonna need the pro version, which you can have the free trial by clicking the link in the description below. So now we extracted the audio and we can just click on the video and delete the video, and now we have the audio. Then you just export the video. You just need to make sure that you can use the copyrighted song on the specific platform. So like if you have a song on TikTok which you can use, maybe then you can just use the same copyrighted song and be able to use it on TikTok. But you just need to be really careful with the platforms which don't allow you to use copyrighted songs. Alright, so all in all, this is how to add copyrighted music to Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.